Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Superchic Lacquer and I'm going to make a Skittle mani today. And I'll be using BM-XL13 as my stamping plate. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Superchic Lacquer. This one's Cherub. And this orange one is called Juicy. The yellow is Pheromone. Oh, I love these. This blue here is Dopamine. And then my green one needs shook up better, but this is No Rest for the Wicked. This is my green. You can see that one's got ugly bottle syndrome. So we're going to go in with our first coat. And I'm going to go ahead and apologize for the wonky camera angle and the zooming in and zooming out. It's doing it on its own. It's auto-focusing. And we're still working on lighting and setup and where the camera sits. I'm tired of bumping it, so I'm trying to get it up a little higher. I am going to cap that free edge real quick on that wonky nail. Okay, now we can get into, now it was really fuzzy for the green one, the green nail, so it just cut that out of the video. It was bad blurry, but you can see it's doing much better now that we're on the yellow. I'm going to cap that free edge too. And I love these Superchic Lacquer hollows. They could be one coaters. I always do two coats. I think I always do two coats. But oh, they're just so rich and luscious, and oh, the formula is so good. I've had these for a while and I love them every time I pull them out. Now this red one, if you get it on your skin, it's a stainer. And I do get some on my skin. I'm going to have to get that off there. It's going to be a few hand washings after we're done today to get that to looking right. Here we go with fuzziness again. Okay, there we go. Alright, so I'm doing a second coat of everything. I just like the thickness on my nails. You know, it was totally covered. Oh, and this tealy green one is also a hard one to get cleaned up, as you're going to see, because I'm going to fight with it a little bit. Hi, Woody. How you doing? See, Woody's not even making a dent. It's like, oh my gosh. And that was just sloppy painting. So I'm going to get my cleanup brush, and even with it, it's not coming all the way up. So that's going to be some hand washing there. That's just... So it's just going to look a little wonky for a minute. And here we go. We're going to carry on with the rest of them. I do love these polishes. I love how rich the colors are. And I can't tell you why I felt the need to do a Skittle mani, but it's been a really long time since I've done a straight up Skittle mani. So it was time. I just decided to do it with like these fall colors. It's coming, y'all. Actually, I think by the time this video gets posted, it will technically be fall or autumn. I am going to top this with the Superchic Lacquer Micro top coat or liquid marble top coat, whatever it's called. I saved this top coat just for when I'm playing with Superchic polishes. There we go, blurry again, capping that free edge. And there we go. There's a swatch photo of them on their own. And I'll be using BM-XL13. It's an old plate. I'm going to use these two leaf images. I'm just going to do one, kind of cattywomp them. And I'll be stamping with Maniology's Heart of Gold. And I've got my, no, that's my Konad stamper. Got that Konad stamper out today. And I'm using my little Maniology scraper. I do like the little scrapers. They feel good in my hand. So there we go. We got one stamp done. I'm cleaning that stamper off on my lint roller. And then I'm going to move over to the other image that I'm using today. So that way when I go to do cleanup, I just clean, and then I can do two more without cleaning in between each one. Now, I'm going to go ahead and confess that I knew that the gold stamping wasn't going to show up that great on top of the yellow polish. but that's okay. I could see it in real life, and it was, you know, kind of cool because it was, you know, kind of like a hidden stamping for me, just me to enjoy. So I didn't want to go messing with my colors, but you could totally see it in real life, and it looked really pretty, kind of real discreet stamping. Now this gold popped on all the other colors, so that's really nice. And if I had this many to do again, I'd probably put the gold on my thumb and then put that blue over there, because it showed, the gold stamping showed up great on top of it. And this is what we're doing today, just a basic stamped manicure. Nothing crazy, no double stamping or advanced stamping, nothing like that. So there we go. Stamped up, ready to go. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this polish off of my skin around my cuticles and sidewalls and all that good stuff. And then I'm going to break out my acetone and my little cleanup brush and do just a little bit of tidying up here. Give it a good looky. Yep, looking good. Dun, 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 dun. I'm going to top this stamping with some smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I'm going to seal that stamping in, and happy to report that this did not smear. And once that's dry, I'll be using Poshe as my final top coat today. Get that glossy yumminess on there. Cap that free edge. And that'll be it for this one. Got a swatch photo coming up right now. And I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.